In this video we'll show how the tab control object in the UX component can be used to display conditional content in a UX component. So you can see that we have here a simple UX component with just 4 controls. So we have a drop down box and then we have 4 static text boxes, and what we would like to do is display only one of these text boxes, one of these static text controls, depending on the value of the drop-down box. So in other words, we'd like conditional content on the UX component. Now there's probably several ways in which this could be done, but the tab control represents a particularly easy way of doing this. So let's go now back to design mode, and we'll go to we'll put these controls here inside a tab object container. So we'll go to containers and then we'll choose a tab control, and let's just go here and call this first one, say P1, P2 and P3, and then go ahead and click OK, and then move that's pane 1 down there and then pane 2 down there. So when we go to preview now, we just have a traditional tab object with 3 panes, but what we would like to do in effect is remove these buttons that are above the tab pane, and in effect select the active pane based on the value in this control over there called DB1. So let's go back now, and we'll go now and we'll say that the method for selecting the active tab pane is going to be automatic, and we can see here the instructions tell us that we're going to go here and define an expression for each pane. So we'll go ahead now and click OK. So for pane 1, our expression is db1 equals alpha. So we'll go to our show pane expression and we'll say insert field db1 equals alpha, and go ahead now and click OK. Then for pane 2, we can go here and our show pane expression is going to be equals beta, and I'm just going to copy that to the clipboard and then do the exact same thing for this control over here, but this time make this gamma. So now let's go ahead and preview. So we see our content over there for alpha, and there's beta and there's gamma, but we still see that the pane, each pane here has the traditional border that gets put around each tab pane, and also has the background. So we'll go back to the tab pane here and we'll say that the panes have border background. We'll turn that property off now, and now when we go here we can see we have our conditional object. So we've turned the tab control into a versatile control here for displaying conditional content, and there are a large number of use cases where you'll want to display one set of controls under one condition, another set of controls under another condition, a third set of controls under another condition, but all have them in the same place. So using this approach here is much easier than trying to put show hide expressions on individual containers, etc. So thank you very much for watching.